The destruction of the volcanic dome of the Shiveluch volcano has created a new crater inside the volcano. The volcano is around more than 3,000 meters high, and the volcanic dome was around one third of it. So practically 1,000 meter of the dome was created in previous years, and now the height of that has been reduced. My estimate shows that by the 100,008 kilometers, square kilometers of the ash to the depth of 10 centimeter, if we assume, around 10 cubic kilometer of the ash was erupted from this volcano and dispersed into the surrounding areas. These are my analysis of the situation when it was. As you can see in this image, a new crater is formed, and I have marked it. This volcanic dome was shattered. In my previous videos, you can watch this. And my analysis of that was at that time that the volcanic dome is gone. And now we have the latest images from the Shiveluch volcano from my colleagues in the Russian Academy of Science. And when I draw the lines that I can see in a moment of the clarity, I can see that the dome is actually reduced in height. If you follow the slope, probably around half of it is gone. It happened in 2011, and later also in the later years, 2015 and afterwards. As you can see, we already had one caldera or crater. Now we had another one, and this will be the third one created around this volcano. I have a video about the Shiveluch volcanic dome. You can watch it, the spines and such things. Volcanic spine or needle of the Shiveluch volcano. Shiveluch volcano is a very fascinating volcano located in the Kamchatka peninsula of the Russian Far East, on the Pacific rim of fire in the northern part of it. It's usually erupting in a with a lot of pyroclastic surges. When you look closer, you can actually see there are some lava also falling down from the slopes of this big volcano. And in the night, they look beautiful, I must say. One day I noticed that there is something is strange. We call it volcanic spine. I couldn't imagine that this one has that. It looks like the back of the whale from this angle. When you go to other side and look at it from the correct angle on that side, it looks extremely smooth. These volcanic spines form in these volcanoes, which are acidic, very viscous, very thick lava. They form by actually, and as you can see, they easily get destroyed because they're not very dense. They're hot in the first point, then they get dismantled gradually. What is interesting is the development of them. They are formed by the cold lava forming inside the vent of the crater of the volcano, where the volcanic dome is formed, and then they get ejected, pushed by the gas pressure vertically upward from the volcanic vent, from the conduit of the lava. Lava cannot come out, so it puts a lot of pressure. It has a lot of gas. That's the reason it bubbles, and that is the way this kind of a smooth, beautiful smoothness is because of the friction, extreme friction pushed by the pressure, creates these smooth surfaces. First time we saw it in the Martinique, when the Mont Pelée was actually erupted. It was a shock to the volcanologists to see. It was for many years on the textbooks of volcanology, fascinating all kind of students who were studying this. Now we know that they are quite common in the acidic lavas, where the lava gets really thick and viscous. Shiveluch is one of them.